In this video, we'll be talking about your arms for that first half of your slow style routine. Once again, helping me out, Leandri. Let's get started. Starting with feet together, facing your left-hand corner. From here, for 5, 6, 7, 8, you're just going to breathe. From here, we're going to reach down, so as to move your hand down, almost like you're painting with your hand. So keep that hand nice and soft and keep the arm movement nice and flowy. Down, and from here you're going to do a circular movement, and you see how Leandri's reaching with that arm. So just do it again. From here, as she reaches down, she's reaching with her fingers as far as they go, and from there, complete it as if she's trying to touch the ceiling. So that's a nice extension we're looking for there. Just nice and up, soft arm. So try not to straighten it too far out, especially if you are like me and you have hyperextension. Make sure that that arm is nice and controlled. Then palms facing up. Great. Moving on to your next move. Same as to the other side. Brush, reach, and end. Please make sure that you are not collapsing when you're doing the first move before you're reaching up. So here, when reaching down, see how Leandri's keeping her back nice and extended. So reaching down, then Leandri's back's nice and straight, and from there she reaches up. A nice and clean move. Well done. From here, we move on to our cross tap. Please remember that while the one arm is busy, don't let your other arm just flap at your side. Give your arm purpose. Even though it's not doing anything, you still want it to be nice and neat. From here, we're going to move our arms into a cross in front of you. Please make sure that this cross is not hugged to your chest. You, as a dancer, have your own space bubble, your personal space bubble. So if we turn Leandri like this to the side, you can see there's a space between her chest and her hands. And that is your personal space as a dancer. So here, as we cross over into your crossed arms in fists, from here we're going to extend our arms up to the ceiling. Now, Leandri does this quite nicely. Let's face the camera so we can show them. So from your cross, you're going to rotate your arms and, yes, palms facing out. Good. So here in your fists, here, and then as they extend out, they rotate to have your palms facing out, keeping the energy in the hand. So please, no broken wrists up here. Good job. All right, so from our cross tap, ready? So we extended there, 5, 6, 7, 8, dancer space, reach up, rotate out, energy out the fingers. Again, into our cross. So every time our feet are crossed, our arms cross in front of our chests. From here, same thing, our arms are going to rotate out, palms facing the back, and yes, see how nice her back is nice and straight in this one, and her arms are reaching out to the back of the room. Good job. Keeping your head up also helps, as we did in one of our energy videos. Keeping that head up helps with a dancer's posture in that move as well. And once again, crossing over, so from down here, we cross over, arms crossed in front of us, keeping that dancer space, rotating up, reach, and last one, cross over, and reaching down to the edge of the room. Well done, guys. For slow style, it's very important that your arms are constantly reaching as far as they can go, and having nice and neat arms, which helps with shooting that energy out of the fingertips. All right, guys, let's do that with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, reach, 3, 4, 5, 6, reach, 7, 8. 1, reach, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, guys. That routine with music.